Hey friends, if you encounter the error the wizard could not start for a certain app, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. You need to right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to app permissions and let us assume that it is for a microphone. Then as per the solution mentioned here, we need to give it permission to access the app. So I will click on microphone if it is for microphone, and then I will turn the switch on for microphone access, and then let apps access your microphone. You can turn the switch on, and then you can turn the switch on for the specific app with which you are facing this issue. Now this is in case it was with the microphone. Let me assume that this was with the camera permission. So you can scroll down and click on camera, and you can give access to that specific app through the camera. So the main issue here was that the specific app was not getting the required permissions. So we are just giving it the required permissions, and once it gets the required permissions, the wizard will start. Whatever it needs to set up for, and obviously other than that you need to give the other permissions as well on the top. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.